The hidden cost of buy now pay later. And here's what nobody tells you. Good day everyone, welcome to the video of the day. Four payments of $100 sounds a lot better than $400 all at once. That's the entire trick. 91.5 million Americans used buy now pay later last year. 47% of them paid late at least once. Here's the hidden cost nobody explains at the checkout. So the first hidden cost everyone pays for it is that nobody realized that BNPL isn't actually free for the retailer, and that cost gets passed on to you even if you never use it. BNPL provider charge merchants 8% to 10% in the processing fees compared to just 2% to 4% of the standard credit card processing. On a $400 purchase split into four payments, the retailer pays roughly $36 to the BNPL provider versus about $12 for a regular credit card swipe. Retailers don't just absorb that gap, they cover it by raising shelf price, cutting promotions, or scaling back scales. And that cost that land on every customer who walked through the door, including people who paid in cash. In other words, BNPL functions like a hidden price hike back into the sticker price. Now the second hidden cost, which is behavioral trap. The bigger cost isn't a fee at all, it's spending behavior. Research constantly show that BNPL users spend 30 to 40% more than they would pay if paying upfront. Splitting a purchase into small installments make it feel far from affordable than it actually is. The real test is that would you have bought this item at full price today in cash? If the answer is no, that four easy payments framing just talk you into the purchase you weren't actually prepared to make. Now the third hidden cost is the stacking and the credit damage. Here's where it gets genuinely risky. A CFPB analyst found around 63% of BNPL users had multiple loans open at the same time, and a third were borrowing from multiple different providers simultaneously. That's a death by a thousand cuts effect. Each individual payment feels small, but the total obligations quietly stack up. And there also a real overlap with existing debt. 69% of BNPL borrowers were already carrying a revolving credit card balance, and those balance currently average 25.2% interest rate. Missing a BNPL payment doesn't happen in isolation. It tends to happen to people already financially stretched elsewhere. And the credit score is becoming real. Starting in late 25, FICO began building BNPL payment data into its newest scoring model. Affirm already reports all loan activity to credit bureaus monthly, and that means that the low stakes feeling that made BNPL popular is disappearing. A missed payment can now follow you the same way you missed a credit card payment does for up to 7 years. But there's one piece of good news. This is not a financial advice, but here's a genuinely useful fact. If you do get hit with a late fee, typically around $10, you have a strong chance of getting it waived just by asking. Data shows that 88% of fee waiver requests got succeed, and the real fix is simpler than most advice makes it sound. Before clicking pay in 4, ask yourself honestly whether you would buy this today in cash or not. If the answer is no, the price is wrong for you no matter how the installments are sliced. To conclude, interest free doesn't mean cost free. Higher price for everyone, a spending trap, and the real credit risk, all hidden behind four easy payments. Subscribe the channel to know more of the hidden cost breakdowns. Share it with your friends, family, colleagues too. Make sure to like the video. Welcome to Money Brief. Let's grow together.